Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Raj. Today we are going to clear a very common English preposition confusion in versus on. By the end of this video, you will know exactly when to use in and when to use on. We use in when something is inside, within limits, or part of a larger space. We can use in for time, like longer periods, in the morning, in February, in 2026. We are not being specific here. So let's take an example. Your claim will be processed in 3 days. You can also use in for places, and places need to be enclosed or larger areas. For example, in the city, in the building, in the system. We are not still being very specific about the place. Example, your details are updated in our system. You can also use in for situations or conditions. In trouble, in progress, in review. Your request is currently in progress. So, next question is, when do we use on? We use on when something is on a surface, specific or attached. Use on, again, we are going to go through time, place, situation. You would use on for time when you're talking about specific day, specific days or dates, such as on Monday, on February 3rd. For example, your appointment is scheduled on Monday. Then surface or contact, place, on the table, on the screen, on the call. Example, I see the information on my screen. For activity or any communication, on a call, on a hold, on a mute, not a, but on hold, on mute, right? You wouldn't use the article here. Um, because you cannot count hold or mute, right? But on a call because it's one call that we're talking about. So, for example, please stay on the line. Let's talk about common mistakes that we make on a daily basis. When you say I am in the call, that's incorrect. You would say I am on the call. Your request is on process. No, your request is in process, right? So here's a quick trick to remember the usage of in and on. In means inside, not visible, and ongoing. On is touching, visible, and being specific. So using in and on correctly makes you sound more clear, confident, professional on calls, or if you're a professional working in a contact center, or even if you're talking to your friends or anyone. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe, comment below with your own examples, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you for tuning in.